Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Geraldine from Style. Today we're going to talk about this money making application, this money making games we have on Facebook, on Instagram, YouTube, everywhere. You have adverts on this money making applications like Bingo, Solitary, Cash, and many others. Many others games, they tell you if you play the games, you're going to make some money. You're gonna win, or you do a contest or something, or competition or something. You play against other players, and then there's an amount of money in place. Whoever win the money get the money, or the first person to have the highest point get the cash or get some points. So lately I've been looking for other ways to make money. Yeah, we all look for other ways to make money, and then I keep looking at these applications, I keep looking at these games. I'm like, all right, let me give you a chance. And I have a couple of them I've been playing, but they don't really, it's hard to like make some kind of money. And then I fell on this one, Solitary Cash. Yeah, Solitary Cash. I put it up there. And I started playing. In one night, I played a lot of times. And apparently when you begin the game, they give you like the highest bonus. Like they kind of attract you so you can play more and more. And I started playing. The first game, I think the entry fee was 0, because they always have entry fees, how much you pay to start playing. The entry fee was 0. And then I went ahead and I played the first round. I think I had $2 and change. I won $2 and change or $3. I'm not so sure. And I kept playing, and then I won $8. Then I won $6. I won $4. I kept winning. And then it was stated somewhere that for you to catch your money, you have to win up to $15. So I had $16 and change. My greedy self, trying to get more money, of course, instead of me to catch out my money, I went ahead and put in more money to play. I put in $5 to get $52, playing with like some players. I don't remember how many players I played with. I played the first $1 and I fell. I played the second $5. I won like $12 something. My money went up to $16 and change. I was like, yeah. A part of me is like catch out your money and see if it's legit, if you can really like get it through PayPal, because that's what it's most of this application tells you. You could catch out your money on PayPal or Apple Pay. Yeah, Apple Pay. And I was like, nah, let me get more. $5 for $52. I put in my $5. I lost it. I was left with $7 and change. I was, oh no, let me try again. I was almost there, because you're almost there. Like, it's always that one thing. You're that close to getting more money. You're always that close to winning. So that's the feeling it gives you anytime you play. It makes you put more money. And I did so. And you know how much I ended up with? I ended up with $2 and change. And the entry fee for the next game to play, to compete with other people, was $3. That's where I went like, I lost $16. I should have catch out my money or do something with the $15 instead of losing it like that. So this was just my little experience about this money making games. And I used to tell my mom, you need to play some of this game. I think I should hook her up to it, because she loves playing this game. I should hook her up with. Guys, I don't know if you play one of these games or what's your experience with them, but I was just sharing my experience with the Solitaire Cash. That's the one I played, and those are the different steps. Those are the different amount I won, and I kept losing. I kept trying to hoping to get the $52. That was the max for us to win on the contest. And guess what? I lost everything. I didn't even get a $16 or $15 I wanted to catch out. I was left with $2 and change. And it gets harder now as I'm trying to play. And I'm wishing I could get back to my $16 I had in the first day, the first night I started playing. But so my take about these money making games, you need to really know how to play. And you should be a fast player and try. Let's see. Download one and play, and let me know if you were able to catch up your money. that's what I'm looking at. I'm continuing to play. Right now I have $4 and I'm scared to put in my $4. So I'm gonna continue to play and try to catch out the money and see if I could really catch out the money on Apple Pay and PayPal. Yeah, I'm gonna try to catch out the money. So this is just a phase 1 of my video about, is this money making games really true? Because there's a lot of them on Facebook advert. Like, you will not scroll your phone on Facebook for a minute without saying, oh, I want money, I make fast money. Like, it looks so simple, so easy. Some of them tells you no advert, no whatever, free cash, free cash, or how can I put it? But what I noticed on most of them, you have to put in some money to get money. Because most of the ones that give you more money, you have to put in some money. And if you don't have the money, they'll ask you to put in more money to your credit card. I never tried it. If you ever tried it, you watching this video, let me know your take about it. And let me know if that was really legit. You played your money and you got it back. Were you able to catch out your money? I like to know if it's possible to really catch out that money. I'm gonna try, and then I'll come back to about my next experience if I was able to catch out my money. So to conclude this video, I'm not saying that it's a scam. Actually, people win money, and I won some money before, but I was hoping for more and I was greedy and I kept playing and I lost it. So I think if you can catch out that money, it's legit. I'm gonna try to catch out the money. I'm trying to get to like $10 and try to catch it out, and I'll come back to you and update you about this money making games. And I think that's about it for my video. Thank you for watching till now, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.